You cannot renew your mind and be conformed to this world. They are inversely proportional. Both of them can be present. Are you with me? You cannot conform to this world and your mind is renewed. Your mind cannot be renewed and you are conformed to this world. Because be not conformed to this world. That's what I love about God. He quickly gave you the solution. Before you start thinking, how do I do it? What's going to happen? How do I try not to? It's difficult. No. He said, but be ye transformed by the renewing of the mind, because transformed men are not conformed. They don't conform to this world. It doesn't go together. He said, be ye transformed. And that word transform is an inward change, because the battle is within. It's only the devil